I need good audio. And now I have good audio. Nice. 8:04. Good morning, Geici. How are you? You good? Nice. Nice, Geici. How was the holiday? You s- okay.
I one moment. I relax.
You relaxed.
Sure. Yes.
Nice, nice. You studied and relaxed.
Yes.
How? How did you relax?
I usually
You slept?
sleepy and
I slept.
I slept. I slept and I I read
I read a book.
next week. I a presentation new one moment new um I a presentation new oh I mean it's new.
Okay.
It's new. It's new.
I will present
I will present
a new project.
a new project. Yes, yes. I will present. I will present a new project.
I will present a new project.
I will present a new project.
Okay, okay, nice. Next week?
Yes.
Nice. Tell me about this project. What's this project about?
Uh, uh, this English now. I presentation one course.
I don't understand. Last week you presented
One course.
one course. Okay.
Yes, yes. This is a new project because I wanna. That's a business idea. It's an English.
Okay,
It's
nice.
English.
It's in English.
Yes, one in my my new words. It's a many words in English. But this book is perfect.
Okay.
But very words in English. For example, I create text types, crowdfunding, insights. I don't necessarily. I don't need. I don't need to translate.
Okay. That this book is in Portuguese, but there are some terms in English.
Yes, yes, inclusive.
By the way,
Inclusive subtitle, the subtitle, né?
okay, including the title. Okay.
Yes, yes. But it's in Portuguese, and I love it.
Do you have any sentence on the book, any paragraph you like, and you would like to explain?
No, it's actually Portuguese, but it's a word. It's a very fun.
So, for example, this part. Can you explain me this part?
Yes, yes. For example, in the project, I include development ideas.
I develop ideas.
I develop ideas and uh, a new point. It needs a testing, validation idea.
So an idea needs to be validated.
Validated.
Okay.
And this is book. It's a methodology. Methodology.
This book is about methodologies.
Methodology. Yes, it's about methodology for testing for idea, validation. Uh, it's 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 okay. It's in the quality of one because before it's a value proposition idea.
Value proposition design.
Value, value proposition, yes, value proposition design. This is a serious issue. That it's a very do you need the look because it's designing. I love it. It's a beautiful.
It's a beautiful what?
It's a beautiful strategy and
Strategy.
for strategy for learning.
Nice. Nice.
It's not text. It's
Image.
image. It's a canvas and forms, and it's a funny.
It's a funny what?
It's a funny because it's no
It's a funny what? Pay attention. If you say it's a good, it makes no sense. It's a good what?
It's good.
It's exactly. Exactly.
It's funny.
It's funny. If you say it's a funny what?
It's fun.
It's funny.
Okay.
It's funny. Uh, I mean, that's okay. This sentence is okay. I understand, but not perfect. And it's a funny makes no sense. You need to stop saying this. Okay.
Okay.
Nice. I want you to tell me about one methodology. I want you to teach me something you have learned from this book.
Okay. From
Something cool, something different.
this is one methodology. It's a golden circle. A golden circle. This is objective for
Identify
identify uh, real problem, real idea,
real ideas.
real ideas. For example, it's a three circle and one circle. This is information. Why? 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 Why it's idea? Why it's idea? Do you information? Second circle. This is um, when and third circle. This is who. Three, three, uh,
Three.
three, three question. It's very important because it's an, it's a big vision. Oh, don't big, but equals big vision for its problem. It's really a problem.
Holistic vision, maybe.
Holistic, yes, holistic vision. Because in word, word innovation, it's very common. Um, this is persons, but it's solution, person with solution.
It's
But
common. It's common to find people with solutions.
people with solution, yes, it's common to find people
It's
with
easy to find. It's common to find people with solutions.
with people with solution.
Solutions. Solutions.
Solution,
Yeah.
And but it's solution don't need resolve a real problem.
The solution doesn't need
Doesn't need to resolve it.
doesn't need to solve
To solve. Doesn't need to solve real problem. Doesn't need to
I don't understand. So let me organize and see if I understand. There are many people with ideas, correct?
Yes, yes.
But those
Oh,
ideas, not all the time, they solve the problems, right?
yes. Because this not clear, not clear.
Isn't
It's
it clear?
doesn't clear
It concludes.
a real problem. For sure, for you. It's the most
Yeah, yeah, please, of course.
common.
Basically, I understand that many people they have ideas, but not all the ideas solve the problems. Right? Is that right?
Yes, yes, all right. Oh, this is a good sector. Mhm. Oh, this is. Do you need the mirror? Do you? Do you?
No, I don't. I don't know Miro, but I know other similar softwares.
Oh, wow. What?
I remember there is one my friend from engineering uses. He works for projects for Copasa, and he uses a similar structure,
Oh,
something like this.
yes,
But
yes.
it's not very open like this project. I mean, you have a map, but because he's from engineering, it's a different structure, but it's very similar. Tell me about it. Miro. Tell me about Miro. Before you start, tell me about Miro.
Yes, yes. For example, this is mirror is a reference for extreme open innovation
Open
extra
innovation structure.
structure. Yes, open innovation structure. This is um, used for clear the objective open innovation in Africa. For example, um, why? Why it's open innovation? Why it's in development of innovation in Africa? But because it's culture, it's ESG, it's necessary for development new
Business.
business, and uh, this is very important, and innovation. And second circle, this is who? Who no? This is when? Mm, why, when, e, what?
Why, when, and what.
Why, when, and what?
Not e what. And what.
And what? Why, when, and what?
Yes, you say why, when, e what.
Oh,
You spoke Portuguese.
it's a crazy. I'm crazy.
It's a yes, yes. If you say it's a crazy what? It's better to say, "Oh, I'm crazy." It makes more sense to say, "I'm crazy." If you say it's a crazy what?
What?
Yeah, it's very interesting because I have a student. His name is JP, and he commits the same mistake, exactly the same mistake. But that's very interesting too because he talks to me about his projects, about some softwares like this, and that's
Yeah.
interesting because he says, "Wow, that's a good," and I say, "That's a good what, man? A good software." Understand? Or you complement your idea, or you finish it earlier. For example, it's good, it's
It's
good,
good. It's
or
good.
it's a good software, it's a good
Yeah.
platform, it's a good idea.
Yeah.
Nice. Please keep talking. So we have why, how, and. What?
and what? Yes, yes. Because it's a methodology is a simple, but very
It's
easy.
a simple what?
This is a oh, it's for
It's
example,
simple. It's simple.
one the
One
I
question.
one question. I cons- my first is a methodology is it a a very necessary, a very needs, for example. If this correct is very needs because I exemplify before for sentences. It's not correct.
I don't understand, JC, your question.
For example, now my class, this is
Your sentence.
yeah, my sentence. This is methodology. This is very neat. This is it's a very neat.
It's a very needed, for example, very necessary.
Yes.
Okay, it's a necessary methodology.
It's okay. It's a
It's a
necessary
necessary methodology.
methodology.
Yes, because in English the adjectives comes first. For example, it's a green shirt. It's a necessary methodology.
Okay. Okay.
Red shirt. Important methodology. Necessary methodology.
Okay.
You have many tabs open. Me too. Me too. You understand tabs?
Yes, 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 yes. It's a two. Oh, ah, no, no. I,
Oh,
Rodolfo, this
yes.
is a situation very tough because I try every time connect to your gírias,
Slangs.
slangs, your slangs in English.
My slangs?
No, my slangs.
Your slangs.
Yes, yes. For example,
Velho, for
some
example, velho.
no gíria, no slangs only. It's a
Expressions.
expression. For example, tamo junto.
Yes,
It's a party. It's a very difficult because it's not correct.
it's a very difficult what?
It's a difficult.
It's difficult.
It's difficult.
Very
It's
good.
difficult. Oh,
Okay. Basically, JC, basically, uh, you are talking about expressions. And in English, tamo junto doesn't exist.
yes.
There are options. But honestly, uh, that's not necessary. For example, explain me a tamo junto situation. Explain me. Maybe a situation like this. I do you a favor. And you say, thank you, Rodolfo. And I say, tamo junto. That's a situation. For example.
Yes, yes. Tamo
Okay.
junto. Yes, it's all together. It's similar.
It makes no sense in English. If you say all together, it's strange. It makes no sense. If you have a situation like this, I help you, and you say thank you, I need to say, man, no problem. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Come on. Thank you, man. Oh, come on, man. Come on, that's okay, man. That's no problem. Don't mention it. Understand? Different ways to say tamo junto. Não, que isso, velho? Não, aqui é nós. No, come on, man. Understand? But, for example, in a presentation, I don't recommend you saying this. On a job interview, I don't recommend you saying this. Why not? Because this first contact is a little formal. So right now, these expressions, they are important, but not so important. Grammar first. For example, você está cutucando a onça com a vara curta. Maybe you have this situation. And you don't know how to say this expression in English. You don't know. So I recommend you saying, man, be careful. That's dangerous. Don't do it. Think about it. Understand, you are expressing the similar idea. Man, be careful. That's dangerous, man. Don't do it. You are expressing yourself in a similar way. But they don't have this expression in English. They have this expression in English. They have two expressions for that. But sometimes you don't remember these expressions. So I recommend you go to the simple, clear, objective way. Be careful. What are the expressions? For you to say, you are messing with the puma with a short stick. For you to say the sentence in English, you have two options. And these options, they don't have a puma. They don't have it. Why? Because it's not so common there. Pumas are common in South America. Bolívia, Venezuela, Brazil, Colombia. We have many different pumas. Black pumas, dot pumas, different styles, different colors, different sizes. But in English, they have a different animal. For example, they have bears. So the expression in English is, hey, you are poking, that's to poke. You are poking the bear. Don't poke the bear. You are poking, that's to poke. Hey, you are poking the bear. That's dangerous. Other way to express this is, you are sliding on thin ice. You are sliding on thin ice. You are skating, ice skating. You understand ice skating?
Yeah.
You are ice skating. Em português, patinar, yes. You are ice skating on thin ice. You are sliding on thin ice. Be careful, that's dangerous. The water is cold. Very cold. Two ways to express this, but maybe you don't remember. So be simple. Be simple to start. Correct. Slow. Correct. Objective. Slow. And then it's going to be more natural. More natural expressions, sound, pronunciation, and you are going to create your muscles. What muscles? Muscle, it's going to be natural for many movements. Presentations, that's a muscle. Job interview, confidence, naturality, calm, another muscle. But structure first. Relax about expressions. Expressions are useful. They are useful. They are necessary. But if you are simple, if you find simple options, simpler alternatives, your English is clear, objective, assertive, straight to the point. Straight to the point. Assertive and straight to the point. Straight to the point is an expression, but objective has a similar idea. Maybe you don't know straight to the point and you say objective. Perfect. You got the idea. You delivered the idea. More about the no, not more about the golden cycle. You show me this later, because now let's focus on the STAR method. Okay?
Okay.
That was your objective. I had this 30-minute conversation about you, your methods, and vocabulary. But now let's focus on the job interview, one of our objectives. Okay?
Yes.
So, just to conclude the conversation, be simple, Jace. There is no problem for you to be simple, but perfect. Then you make it brighter.
Okay.
Then you put the details. Then, understand?
Yes, yes.
The jewelry,
Oh, that's.
the details, right? Details, the end of the process. Nice.
Oh,
Geici, I asked you to read about the STAR method. Tell me a little about it, right? And I have a list of questions to ask you in the future. I had an exercise for you was about your presentation, correct?
yes, yes.
You introducing yourself in English. I am JC, and that's it, right? This was your homework.
Yes, yes. One paragraph.
One
Uh,
paragraph, a paragraph.
paragraph. Yes, yes. My resume. My
Yes,
resume.
parts of your resume, your paragraph, and your resume in English, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Two parts homework, correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay, two parts homework. So, did you do everything?
Yes.
Wow, fantastic. You study a lot and you focus it a little to do my activity. That's good.
Yes,
JC, show me, please, your paragraph, your resume in English. I want to see it.
yes. My paragraph. I copied that and my a presentation in LinkedIn.
Okay, no problem.
It's I don't see every time correct, but I try. Um, do you need? Do
Um,
you?
Actually, can you zoom it a little?
Yes, yes. One moment. Um, oh, I don't know. But no problem. Um, so this is my in my LinkedIn. This is uh, this is a text. Uh, nossa, a equals text. It was important, but I need and any word it's don't see legal in English. For example, I am professional in love about generate and implement new idea. It's in English. It's strange, no?
It's it's very intense for a LinkedIn description. Very intense. But that's just a detail we can fix later. Read for me the paragraph naturally, and I maybe I will close my eyes and try to understand it. Okay, do it, please.
Um, Hello, I am Luciana, and I am professional in love and value generate and implement a new idea, create and execute strategies and proposition innovate solutions. I work with innovation and entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship in the steel and industry, proposing and executing strategies and innovation solutions. Next, I am in the healthcare field to drive innovation, accelerate digital transformation, and make trends related to business. And now, and, and now, one moment, I'm sorry. And now I am to front to health education. To front for health education. Health. My goal is to generate resilient innovation, and I have experience and lead innovation projects expanding the culture of innovation, and mapping strategy, finding solution, and budget budget reform. I participate too in voluntary diversity and inclusion programs, which gave me a significant presence in the first in graduate activity, and essential item for to foster creative and innovation in the most different
Environments.
environment.
Okay. Geici, can you hear me well? Yes.
Yes,
Because the washing machine is on, so I don't know if you hear me well perfectly. Do you?
yes.
Okay. Jace, basically, I see a good paragraph, a good presentation, just some details. And when you read, you are jumping some sounds. You are ignoring some details on the pronunciation.
Okay.
The text is good, clear, I understand part of you, but there are some details we need to fix, we need to organize. For example, uh, I am going to read for you, and you try to adapt some things. Maybe don't adapt, just pay attention, okay? I'm a professional in love about generating and implementing new ideas, creating and executing strategies, and proposing innovative solutions. I worked with innovation and entrepreneurship in the steel industry, proposing and executing strategic, innovative solutions. Then I'm in the healthcare. Then I got into the healthcare field to drive innovation, accelerate digital transformation, and map trends related to the business. And now I am in the front of a health education company. My goal is to generate results with innovation. I have experience in leading innovation projects, expanding the culture of innovation, mapping strategies, finding solutions, and budget control. I participated in voluntary diversity and inclusion programs, which gave me a significant presence in the pursuit of valuing diversity, an essential item to foster creativity and innovation in the most different environments.
It's a beautiful. Oh,
Okay, but I needed to adapt some things, right?
all right.
So let's work on this. I'm a professional. Uh, I'm a professional driven for. So you're writing driven for generating and implementing new ideas,
All right. All right.
creating and executing strategies, comma,
Comma.
comma. No, 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 no.
No, no.
Comma. For example, we have some uh, marks on the text to create pauses. There are two ways to create a pause: a period and exactly a comma. Perfect.
Comma.
And proposing innovative solutions. I worked with innovation and entrepreneurship in the steel industry, proposing and executing strategic innovative solutions. Then,
Then. Then. It's correct.
yes, then um,
This is a taxi. It's problem. Um,
I don't
using.
recommend it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You are in the healthcare field. This is a past information, right? This is in the past.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you cannot say I am. So let's think about it. Then I worked in the healthcare field to drive innovation, accelerate digital transformation, and map trends related to the business. Okay, transformation, comma.
Mm.
Then I worked in the healthcare field to drive innovation, accelerate digital transformation, comma,
Transformation, comma.
and map trends related to the business. Period.
Alright.
I am currently
Correct? Correct.
yes, I believe it's correct. I am currently at the I, this last sentence, JC, I don't understand. Can you explain me, please?
Yes, yes. And now I I work in a big company for medical school in Brazil.
Okay. So I am currently working for a I am currently working for a medical school.
Medical school.
Medical
Oh, I,
A
I
L A L CAL CA.
A-L.
Yes, I am currently working for a medical school. Um, Medical school company, maybe.
Company. This is sentences include the um, and my objective and innovation for education.
Yes, it's interesting to use something like this to explain your function in this company. I am currently working for a medical school company bringing innovation to their for a medical school company delivering or bringing innovation.
Delivery
Yeah, bringing bringing innovation. No, 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 just one.
is
Just
one.
one. Yes.
Innovation
By I don't know now. By by using the best strategies there are.
using
By using the best
um,
strategies
start start use
there are.
there there are
There are.
are
Are.
are
Exactly. My goal is to generate results with innovation. I have experience in leading innovation projects, expanding the culture of innovation, mapping strategies, finding solutions, and budget control. Okay. I participated in voluntary diversity and inclusion programs, which gave me a significant presence in the pursuit of valuing diversity, an essential item to foster creativity and innovation in the most different environments. I participated in voluntary diversity and inclusion programs, which gave me a significant presence in the pursuit of valuing diversity, an essential item to foster creativity and innovation in the most different environments.
this information is very important. I love it.
It's a good paragraph. This last paragraph, I believe, it's the clearest one. The best paragraph for me is speaking about English grammar. The best one is the last one. The last one is very clear. The other ones, they are okay. For example, for me, the best paragraph is the last one, and then the second, and then the first. The first, let me read it again. I'm a professional driven for generation and implementing new ideas, creating and executing strategies, and proposing innovative solutions. I worked with innovation and entrepreneurship in the steel industry, proposing and executing strategic and innovative solutions. Not then, I worked in the healthcare field to driven. I have also worked. Let's change this then. Let's change this then. Innovative solutions. I have also worked.
I have
Also, yes. No, I have also worked in the healthcare field to drive innovation. Um, Geici, innovative, innovation, innovative, innovation. That's not good. That's not good. We have this word many times. I need maybe a synonym. Maybe I need to adapt this a little.
okay.
But no problem. For now, we are going to still work on this, okay? I have also worked in the healthcare field to drive innovation, accelerate digital transformation, and map trends related to the business. I'm currently working because of I am, okay?
Okay.
I am currently working for a medical school company, delivering innovation by using the best strategies there are. This last part was not good. I know I created this last part, but we need to work on this. It's not clear. This last paragraph. I'm currently working for a medical school company, delivering innovation by using the best strategies there are. I created this last part and it's not good.
Okay.
Not good. We need to find an alternative. Explain in a simple way what you do in a medical school company.
Yes, I responsible. I
I'm
lead.
responsible.
I responsible for strategies, open innovation strategies. It's my fault.
So let's write it. I am currently working for a medical school company as a senior open innovation strategy head. I don't know. Put your position there.
Oh, it's like my school company, and us.
I am currently working for a medical school company as.
Yeah.
What's your position? Senior, innovative.
Senior,
I don't know your position.
senior innovation analyst.
Senior innovation analyst.
And then,
Analyst, innovation,
and
and A. As A. Senior.
that's a
I'm currently working for a medical school company as a senior innovation analyst. Um, okay, JC, let me ask you something. Where uh, I believe we need to adapt this a little. I like your text, but I believe it can be better.
okay.
But I like it now. But I am currently working for a medical school company as a senior innovation analyst. And what do you think is interesting now to put after the sentence?
Yes, this is process of innovation. It's very important for the context. because this is responsive and connected company for um, external ecosystems. Mhm. For example, this is a challenging in company and connecting for solution in startup and university and other companies. This is it's a big process. It's a very important.
A very important what?
It's very important.
Okay. Um, we are going to work on this next class. Do you have your resume?
Yes.
Show me your resume in English. I just
One
want. Yes, say yes. Very good. Nice.
I developed this part. I, yes. I crashed
Oh, you
because
used my
yes.
nice
Template.
template.
Yes, yes. Um, this is a part of my parent representation,
Perfect.
and this is uh, accomplishment.
Accomplishments.
Accomplishment. This is uh, only training.
No, no. Good
I don't see
results.
I
Good
don't see
results in your career.
uh,
Good results in your career. What good results have you produced?
oh
That's
nice.
it. Simple examples of good results.
Yes, yes. In my curriculum in Portuguese, this is I understand. Yes, and academic background and only don't many options
No, no
for
problem. No, no problem. It's okay.
and FIA and BA.
Nice.
It's college. It's college. It's correct. It's
Yeah, it's a good
faculdade.
translation.
É, college, Kennedy, Minas Gerais.
But you
Now,
didn't study lawyer. You are a lawyer and you studied law.
law. Oh, nice. Thank you.
It's not a
And
graduate program. It's undergraduate program.
yes, my graduate too are undergraduate.
Because
Oh,
graduate in English in the American system is for masters. Graduate is master.
this is graduate. Master business.
That's a graduation. You are post graduation. No, Geici, grad school is masters.
Uh,
MBA, your MBA was a master.
mm-hmm.
You are a master.
Yes.
Perfect. So this is a master.
Mm,
Okay? This is a
okay.
graduate program. Undergraduate is the first. Under is the base.
Uh,
Graduate is post undergraduation. I am in Brazil we call it graduation, but in United States it's undergraduation. The 4 years, the first 4 years, undergraduation.
yes,
Okay?
yes.
Undergraduate undergraduate program. Okay.
It's
Perfect.
true. And
Per-
now I think inside the, for example, my TCC, for example, it's
Final
a
project.
final project. It's a good or don't
If it's
necessary.
a good what?
It's good.
Is it good?
It is good.
If you think it is, no problem. If you think it is important, if you think, for example, on your job interviews in your past, you talked about this, and the interviewers, they thought, wow, that's interesting. Why not? Why not? I think that's okay. You just need to reorganize the spaces, the white
Uh-huh.
spaces. Just reorganize the layout.
Okay.
But that's simple. You just move some parts, you organize the layout so it looks full. It doesn't look empty. If you reorganize, it looks, wow, beautiful. Now I have many white spaces.
Yeah.
So, but if you reorganize it, it's going to look beautiful. Go down, please.
Okay. In protecting, it's only skills. Skill I inside for soft skills. No.
Perfect, no problem. You need, JC, I believe, to change your professional background to the top. Okay?
Okay.
That's very necessary for you. Move the professional background to the top. I am going to work on this next class, okay? Because I have a student at 9. I need to close the platform.
No problem.
This platform has a time limit.
No problem.
But move the professional background to the top. Reorganize the layout. And please finish that yellow part.
All right.
And also, the homework list. The homework list is important because of grammar. So next class, we correct the homework from my list, the Google Forms, and we work on this too, okay? And I will make the conversation in the beginning of the class shorter, not 30 minutes, but 15 minutes, just for you to warm up, esquentar, warm up, and then we continue, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Perfect. JC, thank you for your time, your attention, dedication. Have a beautiful rest of the week, nice weekend. See you next class, okay?
See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye, JC.